Okay, this is Larkin Street Substation Expansion by TEF Design. It has a really interesting facade design that I wanted to try to quickly build in Grasshopper. And especially in the nighttime, it has a really interesting effect when the lights are kind of revealed from underneath the panels. So, and then also in the daytime, because of how the panels are lifted from, some of the panels are lifted from the facade, lifted from the wall plane, kind of throws the sunlight a little bit with a certain amount of randomness, which is why we're using Grasshopper for this design, obviously. So basically, it's a grid of different panels, and then we kind of have to create. We have to shear some of them off the wall, and then we have to locate our lights and everything. So check out the IGTV video for a little bit more explanation on this project.